The fate of a former Worcester church is now in the hands of a judge. The Save Notre Dame Alliance says the building was never vetted by the state, but the developer says they notified the state of demolition plans a year ago. Our Brittany Schaefer was in court today and has the details. Brittany?
Olivia, this is the last-ditch effort by supporters of the former church to save the building. They're arguing the demolition could be blocked by a state act, and the developer didn't follow the proper process.
It's an all or nothing situation. We're going to lose the building or we're not going to lose it.
It's the last chance for a historic church. Thursday, the Save Notre Dame Alliance brings the developers who plan to demolish the building to court.
If you're going to tear a masterpiece down, if you're going to burn a Picasso in the middle of Main Street, at least you should do it according to the law.
Well, I'm praying a lot. I am nervous.
The main argument between lawyers was whether the building falls under the Massachusetts Environmental Policy Act. This would require state agencies to study the environmental impacts of projects requiring state permitting.
It says that where there's state funding, there is legal jurisdiction. And it is the broad variety that extends to all aspects of the project that are likely, directly or indirectly, to cause damage to the environment.
And NEPA jurisdiction does not exist in this matter because none of the jurisdictional requirements that are described in CMR section 11.02A are met.
The argument now is whether state funding from the past applies to this recent private purchase by City Square 2 development.
Endeavor to render a decision expeditiously because I'm aware of the importance. I certainly appreciate the public interest in this matter. I understand it's very important, and I appreciate people's passion on all sides of this. And please understand, whatever decision I make will be in accordance with the law.
Plaintiff attorney Robert Scott says the fate of the Notre Dame des Canadiens Church is up in the air.
I know he's a very careful judge, but I can't tell you how it's going to go.
City Square declined to comment further. The demolition of the church is described as imminent and could begin in the next few days. Therefore, the judge doesn't have much time to make a decision. Brittany Schaefer, Worcester News Tonight.